Jose Rizal stands out among Filipino heroes because of his focus on education, peaceful reform, and national identity, rather than armed revolution. While leaders like Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo fought through a direct and often violent resistance, Rizal used his intellect and pen to inspire change. His novels No Limitang and El Filibusterismo expose the injustices of Spanish rule, awakening the Filipino consciousness and uniting people across social classes. Rizal believed that true independence could only be achieved through moral and intellectual empowerment, making him a symbol of non-violent resistance and a visionary for a unified nation. Rizal's peaceful approach and widespread influence made him the preferred choice for a national hero, particularly under American colonial rule. Unlike other revolutionaries, his methods aligned with the American preference for a least radical figure to symbolize Filipino nationalism. Rizal's execution by the Spanish ultimately cemented his legacy as his death became a rallying point for the revolution. His dedication to reform, education, and national unity continues to define his role as the country's national symbol and an enduring inspiration for Filipinos.